Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. Got in a 10-kilometer run. I went to the chiropractor yesterday, and I guess my hips are very tilted. My right hip sits a lot higher than my left one, so working through that. I go back next Tuesday for a follow-up appointment. In the meantime, he has me still running, so that's good. I was like, so, do you think I can still run? And he said, well, honestly, I know runners, and if I told them to stop running, chances are you would just find a way to run anyway. So it's not realistic for me to say stop running. He's like, if it gets worse, then I'll tell you to scale it back, but for now, keep doing what you're doing. So that's good. This is actually my first run of the week. I said on Sunday it was going to be a better week. So far, running wise, not so much, but getting back on the horse today. I originally set my alarm for like 4:35 this morning, and I set my phone across the bedroom, so then I physically have to get out of bed, pick it up, and by that time I'm already up anyway, so I might as well just get up. Sorry, I'm all wobbly because I'm stretching. But I guess this morning I shut it off, went back to bed, and then I woke up half an hour later and I was like, well, shit, I don't have enough time to do 16 kilometers before work today, so doing what I can. At the end of the day, all you can do is all you can do. Obviously, oh my god, my balance is embarrassing. Obviously, sticking to the plan is best, but I'm getting back to it. That's all I can say. Getting back on the horse. So it is 6:32 right now. I have to leave for work in an hour, so I need to get myself dressed, showered first, dressed, ready, have breakfast, and after work today I have a massage appointment, so that will be nice. And then we're going to Ryan's aunt's house for a dinner thing, so it'll be a busy day, but I'm happy I got my run in. I will check in with you guys later. Oh my god, you know the button on your iPhone that you press to like unlock it? I was just trying to press that to turn this video off. Ooh. Okay, bye. Good morning. Happy Friday. Finished 6 kilometers, and now I'm just walking into my driveway. Not much to report on this run. It's pretty easy, which was nice. This is our camper. Her name is Terry. She's a good time. Yeah, that's it. Gonna do some stretching. I've been feeling kind of in a funk this week, which I'm sure you guys have gathered already. But, like I said last week, just gotta carry on. So, that is that. Today's run was nice and cool. Oh, my cat's just on the gate there. Yeah, nice and cool. I started at like 5:30 this morning. It was still a little bit dark. Don't mind me. And got to watch the sunrise, which was always nice. And what else? That's it. Just kind of an average run. 6 kilometers, nice and easy. My watch, which is a Garmin 235, keeps track of your heart rate. So I turned it onto the heart rate setting to kind of see where I was at during the run. So I wanted to keep it kind of in the easy range, which is easy to do when you're running downhill, which my house is here, then there's a hill that goes downtown. So I was pretty much in the threshold pace, which I think is zone 4, the orange zone, all the way coming back home. But I still tried to keep the heart rate as low as I could, slowed down when I needed to, and yeah, got in a tiny bit of hill work. So I guess that's a benefit of living up on the hill, kind of. Yeah, so that's the report from this morning. Going to go inside, finish stretching, let the dogs out, carry on with my morning. So I will see you guys later. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. I just finished my long run of the week. I was planning on cutting the run short into 16 kilometers if my body was sore, but I actually warmed up, well, a little bit late. It took me about 7 kilometers to warm up, and then I felt great. So I did the planned 19 kilometers, and yeah, feeling good. Did a little bit of stretching. Now I'm going to go inside and hydrate and have something to eat. So that is a happy update for this Saturday. So far, so good. I will check in with you in a little bit. Dinner fail. I had some stir fry in a bowl, and I was balancing it on a book and holding a giant jar of water and my phone, and of course it fell over, flipped upside down, stir fry all over the coffee table, which has a lot of dog hair on it right now. So now I'm just cooking up some veggies and leftover tofu that I had in the fridge because someone hasn't gone grocery shopping yet. I will do that tomorrow. That's how Saturday night's going. Good morning. It is Sunday. It is 10 o'clock and I just finished doing some morning yoga. I woke up around 8:30 this morning. Had a nice little sleep in. My body is a little bit stiff after yesterday's 19-kilometer run, so I decided to stretch it out on the mat. I mentioned in, I think it was last week's vlog, that I've been doing celery juice in the morning. So I woke up this morning, made some celery juice, which basically I just put like a bunch of celery in the blender. I did about maybe a cup of water, blended it up, and then I strained the juice out. Sometimes I add a little bit more water, just depending how big my cup is. Yeah, so I started the morning with that. I've got a giant jar of lemon water here. And yeah, listening to some jazz music. Gonna wake up a bit, make some coffee. The dogs are playing outside. Ryan's sleeping, I think. And yeah, it's been kind of a slow morning. This week in running, not bad, not bad. I will take it. I think yesterday's long run was kind of the run I needed to get myself back on track. So I'm excited for this next week. I went into the long run yesterday. Friday night I was thinking like, oh my god, how am I gonna make it? I haven't ran that far since my last half marathon on May 27th, the Oak Bay half in Victoria. And I was like, you know what, if you need to go easy, you just go easy. If you need to cut it short, you cut it short. And then I was running and I was like, no, that's not the point. The point is, do what you can do, and you can do 19 today. So I felt really good. I drank water. I had a couple sips every like 2 to 3 kilometers, which was, I think, really helpful. I did that during my last 16-kilometer long run, and having the water with me and drinking it that frequently was definitely a lifesaver because it's been so hot and humid here lately. So my body needed that hydration. And then about halfway through, I had a honey stinger gel. So that's one of my favorite types of gels. I don't have any with me, otherwise I would show you. But yeah, Power Bar makes some good gels as well. Same with Cliff. Honey stinger is just my favorite because it's just honey, nice and simple, and yeah, it does the trick. So yesterday's run was really great. I might go out for a little run today. We'll see. I was following the Hanson's marathon method, which was great, but I think my body's just not used to the high mileage, and maybe that's why I'm getting these random aches and pains. So I might kind of revisit the plan and still utilize a lot of the components, just not doing 6 days a week of running. So if there's anyone that has done the plan, let me know your thoughts. I thought I read every review I could find online about it, and I was like, yeah, this is the plan for me. But now that I'm doing it, I'm like, do I scale it back a little bit or not do so many speed and tempo workouts? And I don't know. I'm undecided, but until I decide, I'll still kind of follow it for now. But thoughts are appreciated. That's the update for this morning. This afternoon we're going to like a baby shower barbecue kind of thing for my cousin. So just spending the day with family pretty much. Have grocery shopping to do, coffee to be made, breakfast to be made, and that's it. So I'm going to finish my big old water, get all hydrated up, get caffeinated, and I will see you guys next week.